Hi there, Dominic the CX guy, Dominic the Zendesk guy. Welcome to another video. Today's topic is going to be how to add tags in Zendesk. So before we begin, please subscribe to this channel. Please hit the bell notification to get updates whenever I post a new video. Also, comment if you'd like to see some special content as I'm running out of your questions. And yeah, I only have about 30 other ideas for video. So yeah, gotta keep things moving. Quick intro about me. So Zendesk consultant, 8 years of experience. I've been a Zendesk partner for the past 2 years. I have been subcontracted by Zendesk directly, and I'm here to share some of that knowledge. Now, back to today's topic, how to add tags in Zendesk. There's multiple ways, and I'm going to share some of them, or yeah, well, I'm going to share quite a few options for you to do that. So first thing is definitely to add tags manually, right? So if you're an agent inside Zendesk, you can go in and you can add tags if that option is enabled for you. So I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to show you how to add tags manually. All right, so sharing my screen. Okay, hopefully you can see my screen. Okay, good. So I am going to go to admin. I am going to go to settings at the very bottom, right? Tickets. So I am going to scroll down to tags, and I need to have this option enabled in order for me to be able to add tags manually. So enable tags on tickets, right? Or not. So if you want to disable it, this is going to suppress the option for you to add tags on your tickets. It's not necessarily imperative to use tags. You can use custom fields in Zendesk, and you don't necessarily need to use tags, but they are very useful if you, for example, need the data to be, I don't know, to be used in other systems, and you want to, yeah, create whatever business rules in some other system. So it's valuable in that sense, but you could potentially live without it. Enable automatic tagging. So if you disable this, then you don't want to auto tag tickets based on ticket content. Okay, so this is a new feature from Zendesk. So it recognizes the type of intent and it adds a tag, but you don't want to do that because yeah, you want to rely on an AI maybe that does this very well. And if you want an AI that does study your intent, please reach out to me. I will leave my contact details below, and yeah, I can help you with this. In the description, you'll also find a ebook, a free ebook on 8 tips how to improve or how to optimize your Zendesk, and it's going to greatly help you improve your Zendesk if you want to have a optimization. So now back to tags. So I have this enabled, and I'm able to go to my tickets and add tags manually. So now I'm going to go to my views. Oh, I'm just going to pick out a ticket. This one, for example. And as you can see on the left-hand side here, I have my tags. So this is what I have, what has been added to the ticket so far. I can go in as an agent, yeah, based on my analysis of the ticket, and I can add some additional tag, and I'll call this amazing. Boom, so this tag has been added. Then I'm going to add another one, another. Boom, and now I have 2 more tags. In order for this to save, I need to click the submit button. So this gets saved. Okay, so now this has been saved against my ticket and it will live here, and I will be able to, yeah, other agents will be able to see these tags, and I can also potentially create business rules. Now, which leads us to the second way to create tags, and that's automatically. And there's a few ways to create tags automatically. First one is using macros. So if you don't know what macros are, I have created I think 2 videos already about that. So go ahead, look through my channel and find the videos for macros. So I go to a macro and I choose a macro, and that macro can add a tag by itself. Let's go into settings for macros. So I'll show you how to add a tag with macros. So I'm going to go to manage macros. It's going to take a while to load up. Here it is. I'm going to add a macro, and I'm just going to call this something very Very obvious. Add a tag as a demo for YouTube video. I need to know what I'm creating in my test account so I can potentially delete it afterwards or not confuse the shit out of whoever is going to use this account. Because by the way, demand is high and we're growing, so the company is growing. I can't do this all by myself. We're 6 people now, so it's not just me. The great thing about having a very well-structured, let's say, approach to Zendesk is that you can write it down and you can share it with other people, and other people can learn it and can implement it for you. And you can also learn it, and then you can be autonomous and self-sufficient. So that's the approach. I can give it a description, but I'm just going to leave this available for all agents. And actions. What actions do I want to do? Well, I want to say comment description. So comment description, and I want to say something, whatever. Hi, this is a text. Thanks. And that's it. That's the text. And then I'm going to add another action, and I could, yeah, here we go. Set tags or add tags. So I can set tags. So what this does is it deletes every tag if it exists and just adds a new one. Or if I want to not necessarily destroy someone else's contribution to the ticket, I can just go and add tags, which I recommend that you use. This is the one that you should be using. So add tags so you don't necessarily disrupt any other flows that are happening in your system. Add tag. Amazing. Amazing tag. I like this tag. All right, so just add this one and add another one. Dominic CX. What? Dominic CC? No. Dominic CX. Here we go. So create. Now, very important. Refresh your browser in order for this macro to appear in your list. Otherwise, you'll be stuck in wondering where the macro is and what you've done wrong. You've done nothing wrong. You just have to refresh your screen. Let's go back to a ticket. Let's open one. This one. And let's choose the macro. Here we go. Assign ticket to another group. No. Here we go. Add a tag as a demo for YouTube video. Click it, and then as you can, if you notice, okay, so the tag amazing and Dominic CX was already present. Not a good example. Let me open a new ticket. This one. Macro. So this one has no tags. Perfect. Let's see how this works. Add a tag as a demo. Click, and here we go. See, amazing Dominic CX. I have to save this by clicking the status, so submit as open. It's not going to send anything. It's just going to save everything to against the ticket. Okay, so this is one way of doing it with the help of macros. Now I can do the same with the help of triggers. So if a set of conditions is met, let's see. I do ticket, add a tag for YouTube video demo. Okay, category, just choose this one, initial category, and conditions. Meet all of the following conditions. So let's say ticket is created. I'm not going to make this very intricate. Ticket is created, that's good. Actions, and I'm going to say tag. And it has these options: set tags, add tags, remove tags. Set tags, you remember what it is, right? Set tags is delete all the tags and add this newer one. So refresh, tabula rasa. Add tags, which I recommend you use so you don't interfere with other flows. And then remove tags, yeah, just do a bit of house cleaning. Add tags. Amazing. Dominic CX. And then you save it. Great. And that's it. Now it exists. I'm not going to do the demo of how this looks like because, yeah, you can do this yourself. I just wanted to show you how to add tags. This is one way. I want to cover as much ground. And now automations can be used with the same purpose to add a tag against the ticket, to remove tags, or to set tags. So let's add an automation. Automation, give it a name, add a tag, add a tag for YouTube demo video. So I'm going to say ticket status is pending. I'm going to say, what else? Organization is German organization. That's fine. That's it. Conditions is fine. I'm going to say if status is pending, then put it to on hold. And guess what we're going to do with the actions? We're going to say set tags or add tags. So we're going to, I don't use set tags that much. Again, I don't want to interfere with someone else's workflows because I won't maybe have some tickets. Sorry, because maybe have I have some tickets which have some tags which are there for other agents to see or are there for other business rules to pick up on. So don't use set tags, use add tags. Add tags, amazing. This is one. Oh, sorry. I just clicked return and that created it by default. So use spaces to separate individual tags. So I have amazing and space Dominic CX. Update, submit. Okay, and this will add tags as well. So these are some ways for you to add tags inside Zendesk. What I'm going to do is I'm going to deactivate this because as I said, the team is growing and some people are trying things out in this Zendesk test account. And yeah, if I create all these crazy business rules, they will just go nuts and think that they're crazy because stuff isn't working in Zendesk. But it's just me creating all these business rules. All right. So I hope this was useful for you. Very quick recap. You create them by hand if you have enabled the option to add tags against tickets, or you create them automatically with business rules. Business rules like automations, triggers, and macros. Okay. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next video. Bye.